Hey guys, we finally have a way to get this onto this thanks to Profoto's new OCF adapter. Alright guys, we finally got our hands on the new OCF adapter from Profoto, and it's finally here. And it's a great way for us to use our OCF modifiers with the A1, A1X and A10 flash units. So what I like about it right away is its construction. It looks like it's made out of metal, so it feels really solid in your hands. It seems like it's going to be quite durable over time. One noticeable thing I noticed already on the tilt bracket, there is a nice grip that we are not used to with our B10 and B10 Plus units. So there's a really nice way to grip that now and change the angle of our flash. So that is a welcomed plus. So if you look at the design of this bracket, it is clearly designed for the A1, A1X and A10 flash units. It really almost resembles the flash when you compare them side to side. So it's not a universal bracket. You're not going to be able to use different speed lights or any other brand of light most likely on here. It is designed obviously for the Profoto brand and for the Profoto A-series lights. All right, let's talk about zoomability. So unfortunately with this bracket, that's not going to be a thing. Once you put your modifier onto the bracket, it's really stuck there in one spot. So if you look at modifiers such as the Magnum, for example, where you have the ability to control the beam of the light as you move that modifier up and down on, let's say, a B10, unfortunately, this is not going to happen with this bracket. So you're kind of stuck with it just in that one spot. So one other thing I would not do with this bracket is put RFI softboxes on there. A 5-foot octa will not hold likely on this bracket. These are really designed for OCF, all the lighter, more mobile modifiers. So just make sure you're not putting big RFI 5-foot octas on there, just a smaller OCF 2x3, 1x3 softboxes and so on. So the way I'm going to use these is mostly in headshot sessions. I'm going to now be able to utilize more lights and be able to utilize my OCF modifiers alongside with my B10, my B10 Plus. Now I'll be able to pull out the A10 and the A1X that I have and be able to use, let's say, a 1x3 strip box along on that set, which is going to be really cool. So let me know if you're happy about this release. Finally, I think it's way overdue. So I'm personally excited. Let me know how you're going to be using this. Do you have modifiers that now you're super excited about using now with the A1, A1X and A10? So leave some comments below. Remember guys to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.